Hello guys, today I'm going to find an old car so that I can restore it. Let's go.
Hi, do you want to sell this car?
No.
Hi, do you want to sell this car?
No, this is not just a car, this is a memory.
Oh, I get it. No issue.
Why are you selling this car?
This car belonged to my grandparents. Both of them are no longer in this world, so I can't use it anymore.
Wow, this Ford Mustang really has seen better days. Look at this rust. The windshield is broken and the paint is almost gone. But it has so much character. I can imagine restoring this beauty.
The seats are torn, dashboard is warped. Oh, the steering wheel has cracks everywhere. But I can see the potential here. Rear bumper is beaten up. Taillight's broken. This car still has charm. Every dent tells a story.
This engine is full of history. Old, rusty, but I can imagine bringing it back to life. Look at this vintage setup, so intricate.
This Ford Mustang is a mess now. Rusty, broken, but imagine the restoration. Every detail tells its story. I'm excited to start work on this beauty.
Okay, let's start restoring this baby. First step, cleaning off all the dirt, dust, and grime. This car has so much potential. Look at these dents, the broken windshield, the peeling paint, but I can fix it. These tires will need replacement.
This rust is stubborn, but it has to come off, otherwise it'll eat through the metal. Each part matters. The dents, scratches, and rust, they tell the story, but I'm going to bring it back to life.
Now the frame is clean. Every corner needs attention before we install the new windshield. She has been neglected, but a proper cleaning and prep will make the restoration easier. Every tiny detail counts.
Removing the damaged left window for restoration, rust along the frame, seats still torn, dashboard still cracked. The car is old, but it will be restored step by step.
Removing rust carefully, slow and steady. This will shine again. Every patch counts, every dent, scratch, and rust spot tells the story of this car, and now begins its rebirth.
Side window removed, front windshield gone, left gone, rear dirty, seats torn, engine rusty. All other damage remain.
There, you have that rear windshield removed. Now the entire car is without windows. Rust everywhere, seats torn, dashboard.
All windows removed. Car fully exposed, seats torn, dashboard cracked, engine rusty, every panel corroded, every dent visible. This Ford Mustang is ready for proper restoration, nothing fixed yet.
This hose, yeah, it just cracks when I bend it. Wiring's brittle, insulation flaking off, battery terminals are green with corrosion, radiator lips eaten through. There it goes, melts free.
Easy. Up you go. There, nice and slow.
Look at that shine. Fresh paint turned out way better than I expected. Still a couple little waves in the rear quarter, but it's honest. Inside's buttoned up now. Dash, tape deck, seats, even the door cards. Feels like a car again. Glass is all that.
Okay.
Yeah!